Hello everyone, it's Ashwin Rao, Blue Owl Workshop. Blue Owl, as you can see here, carries a wide range of Selvedge denim, largely sourced from Japan. These are some of the highest quality pieces of denim you're going to find anywhere in the world, curated by an expert team here at Blue Owl to give you a wide range of fits, sizes, different materials, all Selvedge, high quality, just really a fascinating array of denim. You're talking about Momotaro, Oni denim, Naked and Famous, Full Count, Pure Beauty Japan, on and on. We can just keep going, but just a wonderful set of denim. And oh, by the way, yeah, they have really good footwear. They feature a wide range of unique makeups from Viberg, as you can see here, a range of service boots, both with cap toes, brogue cap toes, plain toes. You see more affordable footwear from brands such as Unmarked, as well as some derby shoes, Chelsea's, a range that really is quite versatile. They also have a really cool range of Trickers boots and shoes. And you can see here even some Red Wing Iron Rangers, and Unmarked here, one of my favorite makeups. And at the upper end, they have John Lofgren as well. Some of the really cool, unique makeups I've never seen before, including their M43 service boot and Engineer in a black wax flesh. Wide range of clothing as well, uppers, lowers. You're getting brands such as Engineered Garments, Orslow, Studio D'Artisan. You go on and on. Beams Plus, I just can keep thinking, and it just keeps getting better. UES is a newer brand. Double RL, Gitman Vintage, Warehouse. This have some of the nicest options in upper end heritage clothing across the range of outfits and pieces that you might want. We have wool caps, we have socks, we have fit hats, we have even bandanas. You can see that the range is quite brilliant here. And yeah, let's not even exclude jewelry. Not really my thing, but if you're into a money clip, wallet clip, sunglasses, or even heck, some Birkenstocks, they got them for you here. So Blue Owl, I have no affiliation with Blue Owl. I just am a very happy customer. I've actually purchased a few pair of these Howlin' sweaters that you see right here. I'm always there eyeing some of the latest and greatest clothing, and I just think it's a fantastic option should you decide to look online or come in person. Take care and goodbye.